So, in our last video, I walked through how to make the right use of Prosecutor Analysis in the TIP tool. If you haven't watched that one yet, I'd recommend checking it out first. I've linked it in the description. Now, in this one, we're going one level deeper. I'll show you how to use the advanced search feature in the Prosecutor Analysis to filter relevant data about your attorney or the law firm. The basic search gives you a prosecutor's lifetime stats, but let's be real. A lot of that data can be very broad. If you're evaluating someone, you don't care what they did 15 years ago in a different tech field. You care about what they are doing right now in your art units. That's where advanced search comes in. It's how you strip away the noise to see the data that actually matters for your next filing. Let me walk you through the steps. Once you're logged in your tip tool, you can see several tabs like the Idea Manager, the Portfolio Manager in the navigation bar. There, select the Prosecutor Analysis tab. It'll take you to the search page. Here you can look up for either the individual attorneys or the law firms. Enter the prosecutor's name or the law firm's name in the search bar and click on Analyze. It will direct to the Prosecutor Analysis dashboard. In this dashboard, right next to the search bar and the Analyze button, you'll see an advanced search option before the details of the patent prosecutor. Go ahead and click that. It opens up this overlay that lets you filter that specific person's history before you even look at their charts. The first filter is the application's filing date range. You set a start and end date, and the entire profile recalculates for only applications filed within that window. Why does this matter? Patent law and USPTO examination practices change over time. A prosecutor's record from a decade ago may not reflect how they operate under today's examination environment. If you want a fair evaluation, narrow this down to the last 2 to 3 years. That's the period most relevant to what you're about to file. Right below that, you've got the recent activity window. Here you see some predefined options for the last 6, 12, or 24 months. This is huge. It tells you if this specific attorney is actually active now. You want to make sure you're hiring the person who's currently in the trenches, not someone whose great average is mostly built on cases from a decade ago. Besides this, in the middle column, you've got the group art unit. This is where things get really precise. Many prosecutors work across multiple technology areas, and their performance can vary significantly between them. If you're a software company, a prosecutor's high allowance rate in mechanical art units is basically irrelevant to you. You can select or deselect specific GAU to see how that attorney performs in the exact rooms where your patents will be examined. On the last column of the advanced search, you have the status checkboxes: pending, issued, abandoned, and expired. Uncheck any box to exclude them from your report. If you want to see a prosecutor's grit, filter for only issued and abandoned cases within a recent date range. It shows you the finality of their work, how many patents actually cross the finish line versus how many they let go. Including pending cases is great for seeing their current workload. Are they stretched too thin? The data will show you. When you hit apply after setting all the filters, the entire Prosecutor Analysis dashboard updates. Every chart, every efficiency metric, and every RCE success rate is now filtered specifically to the time frame and the technology you care about. It takes a good on-paper attorney and proves whether they are the right attorney for your specific project. So don't just settle for the lifetime average. Flip on the advanced search and see what's happening now. For more tips on getting the most out of these filters, visit us at help.triangleip.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next deep dive.